Hey, it's Pete with the Small Business Resource Center. I just got this video, so I thought I had to share it, or I should say this news. Robinhood to pay $70 million in record settlement with Finra. Well, I mean, they're paying Finra, but what about all the people? They gotta pay those people back who got screwed over. Let's look at this and what it says. Basically, they have a sanction representing the largest financial penalty ordered by Finra because of the fact of it seems like what happened with they're calling it a frenzy, meme stock frenzy, at which point Robinhood temporarily restricted customers from buying shares of GameStop. So according to this article, the $70 million fine is claiming they're going to have $5 million in restitution. I think the damages were more than $5 million. I don't know what to tell you, but I know a lot of people who bought. And then, of course, when they stopped the trading, it crashed. These are not just Robinhood customers that were affected. Keep in mind, this is a stock, so it doesn't matter what platform you were on. If you were on a platform trading this stock when it went up, and you're expecting it to go up, and them halting trading caused it to crash, you are affected. But this is what it says. This is Pete from the Small Business Resource Center and the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel. Click like, subscribe, and let's keep updated. If you hear more information, comment below. I'm interested to know what's going on. I got a busy day too.